In today's video, I'm going to teach you cancelling your Lycamobile plan is simple. I'll walk you through exactly how to stop your current bundle from renewing, whether you prefer using the website, the app, a quick code on your phone, or by speaking with support. Follow along and pick the method that suits you. First, sign into your My Lycamobile account. You can do this in a browser or by opening the Lycamobile app. Have your login details ready, and if you don't remember them, use the password reset option shown on the sign-in screen. Once you're in, you're looking for the section that manages your active bundle and payments. Navigate to the area labeled Plans and Usage or Manage Payment. The wording can vary slightly depending on your region or app version, but it will be the place where you can see your current plan, its expiry date, and any renewal settings. Inside that section, turn off auto renewal for your current bundle. This is the key action. Disabling auto renew doesn't cancel your service immediately. It simply prevents the plan from buying itself again when the current validity period ends. Confirm any pop-ups asking you to proceed and wait for a confirmation message on screen or by email. You should still have full use of your plan until it expires. If you'd rather not use the app or website, you can do it directly from your Lycamobile phone using their USSD short code. Dial the code provided for plan management, then follow the on-screen prompts to disable renewal for your bundle. Be sure to complete the final confirmation step so the change is saved. And if you prefer talking to a person, contact Lycamobile customer service from your handset and ask them to cancel the plan by turning off auto renewal for your current bundle. The support agent can make the change for you and confirm when it will take effect. Once auto renewal is off, your plan will continue until the end of its current validity period, then stop on its own. To avoid gaps in coverage, note the expiry date displayed in your account so you can decide whether to switch plans, port your number, or top up before that time. If you change your mind later, you can always return to the same menu and toggle auto renew back on. That's all there is to it. Choose the method you like best, turn off auto renewal, and your Lycamobile plan will end after the current cycle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make the change with confidence.